What's going on, guys? So I'm gonna do some work out here. I gotta cut the grass again. I got some old bird feeders. Got one there, one here, and we're gonna refurbish these. I'm gonna show you how to seal these because they're definitely well used. And then I got a bird house. A little late to put this up, but we're gonna do it anyway. But I also got the stakes in, the metal stakes in with the T-posts with the help of my friend Steven. And so we're gonna go ahead and we can get the trellising set up for the tomatoes and all the beds and everything. So we'll get you guys seeing that as well. So stay tuned, we got a lot going on today. So I hope you guys enjoy.
I know you want it bad. It's the best you never had, yeah. Better set yourself free before it's too late and anyone can see. You're coming around just to get another round on where you wanna be. You run around just to get a run around, gonna blow your heart away. Oh, you got it down. Oh, you're going down. Run away.
Okay, so for this, you can either you can coat this with something. I don't feel like waiting, so if you have a torch or something of the sorts, or even those like a torch lighters work, but you can just burn this lightly. And it's gonna seal this wood again.
You better run away. Addicted to the game, it's driving you insane. I watched it pull you in.
Alright, we're gonna go get these set aside, we're gonna get everything up and get to it.
To know you're never gonna win. You're gonna run just to get another round on where you wanna be. You run around just to get a run around, gonna blow your heart away. Oh, you got it.
Alright guys, so I got a basic little trellis thing up, so I just used some twine and then just some T-posts with just some scrap wood, drill some holes in it, and then just anchored it. I'm going to take some twine, some cotton twine, and I'm going to run that from the top of each of these down to the base of each tomato plant. So, let's get to it.
Down. Oh, you're going down. Yeah, yeah. You better run away. You better run away. Somewhere and you're lost in the dark and you don't know why. You're looking for something to light your way, but you just can't find. I see you got up in the chase, but you're getting left behind. Let it go and say goodbye.
Alright guys, I got the first trellis finished, so I just ran some posts. I had to run a higher post in the middle just to help support because I used twine instead of like a wire, so I couldn't like pull it too taut, but wrapped all of the tomatoes around their new support, and now we just got 2 more to do, but not today. Alright, so yeah, I think that's going to be it for today, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get cleaned up out here. I got some rain coming in, so I'm not going to try and get into any other projects outside. I'm going to get in there, maybe edit a little bit, and get this video up for you guys to view. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for weekly and sometimes even daily updates for everything that's going on here, especially as we're getting into this harvesting season as summer is right around the corner. Stay growing, guys.